In this video, we will explore PHP Superglobals, focusing specifically on the $_get variable. We will learn how to handle GET request data and URL parameters effectively. The $_get is a PHP Superglobal array. It contains data sent to the script via URL parameters. It is automatically populated when HTTP GET requests are made. Let's examine the structure of a URL that includes GET parameters. Here is an example: https://example.com/page. PHP (name) equals John &age equals 25. The query string starts with a question mark after the file path. Parameters are separated by ampersands. Here's a basic example of how to use the $_get variable in PHP. The code snippet is as follows: $PHP. $name equals $_get within square brackets single quotes name single quotes. $age equals $_get within square brackets single quotes age single quotes. Echo double quotes hello double quotes dot $name. Echo double quotes you are double quotes dot $age dot double quotes years old double quotes. Question mark greater than. For the input $name equals John &age equals 25, the output will be hello John. You are 25 years old. It is good practice to check if GET parameters exist before using them. Here's how you can do it. The code snippet is as follows: $PHP. If within parenthesis is set within parenthesis $_get within square brackets single quote name single quote close square bracket close parenthesis. Echo double quote name double quote dot $get within square brackets single quote name single quote close square bracket close parenthesis. Else within curly braces echo double quote name not provided double quote close curly brace. If not empty within parenthesis $get within square brackets single quote age single quote close square bracket close parenthesis. Echo double quote age double quote dot $get within square brackets single quote age single quote close square bracket. Question mark greater than. Always validate the $_get data before using it to prevent errors. To ensure security, sanitize your $_get data. Here are a few ways to do that. The code snippet is as follows: $PHP. $name equals filter input, open parenthesis, input_get comma, single quote, name single quote, comma, filter sanitize string close parenthesis. $email equals filter input, open parenthesis, input_get comma, single quote, email single quote, comma, filter sanitize email close parenthesis. $age equals filter input, open parenthesis, input_get comma, single quote, age single quote, comma, filter validate integer close parenthesis. $safe name equals HTML special chars, open parenthesis, $_get within square brackets single quote name single quote, close square brackets close parenthesis. Question mark greater than. Always remember to never trust user input. Always sanitize and validate. Let's look at a practical example using a search form. The code snippet is as follows: $PHP. If is set, open parenthesis, $get within square brackets single quote search single quote close square brackets close parenthesis. Within curly braces, $query equals HTML special chars, open parenthesis, $get within square brackets single quote search single quote close square brackets close parenthesis semicolon. Echo double quote search results for double quote dot $query close curly brace. Else within curly braces echo double quote no search query provided double quote semicolon. Question mark greater than. Here is an example URL: search.php search equals PHP plus tutorials. Here are some best practices to keep in mind while working with the $_get variable. Always validate to check if parameters exist before using them. Sanitize input to clean data and prevent security vulnerabilities. Never trust user data and treat all $_get data as potentially malicious. Use it for simple data. Get is ideal for search queries and filters. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.